how to know video views by region. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to know your audience region on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. And now, once you are on your profile, choose a video that you want to know most region that watch this video. And you should know, you should make your account a business account to have this option, which is analytic. This option make you like able to see your videos analytic, how many shares, how many people's region, and total views. Click on analytic and you're gonna find those options. And here you're gonna find a lot of option, total play time, watch it full video. Scroll down and you're gonna find video views by region. Like you see, there is regions that see the most, who see my video. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like.